idea is to loosen up these tabs, and then you can use something to straighten them out, or you can just pull them straight up with a pair of pliers, or you can use a screwdriver. Once those tabs are all the way up like that, this should easily come off. So as you can see, tabs need to go straight up. Alright, now you can pop it off. There we go. So you pop that off. He's going to need some help. We need to stand the machine up straight, and then there's wheels on this, and you just wheel it right out. I'll show that to you. Once you have the machine standing up straight, you're going to just pull it out. Just pull out, if it has a top screen, you want to pull that out first so you're not messing with that. And you're left with the rest of the machine. Now you're going to slide out the unit towards you because it has wheels on it, so it should come pretty easy out of there. It's a little easier if two people are doing it, but since I'm videotaping, Scott's going to manhandle this himself. There you go. So now it's out. So that's it. It's unpacked. Now you just pull up the packaging here, and the machine should be ready to plug and play.